Good afternoon. This is Pastor Tyrone P. Jones IV. I'm coming to you live from our sanctuary, and I wanted to talk to you about our vision, Vision 2020. I'm excited to tell you that Vision 2020 has a lot to do with what we're going to do in the future as far as the ministry of First Baptist Church is concerned. I'm excited about the fact that God is going to bless us to one day have our own school. Yes, our own school. We're also looking in the vision to be able to be an incubator for businesses. We want to develop entrepreneurs right here at First Baptist Church of Guilford. A lot of the other things we look to do is to branch out on the ministries that have already been started here at First Baptist. So the 2020 vision involves planting seeds now, so that by the time 2020 comes, we'll be able to see the growth and development of different ministries in different areas of the church. And so we're going to begin to plant the seeds to start putting together the incubator process. We're going to begin to plant the seeds that starts putting in process and in place the school. We're going to begin to plant the seeds that starts to put in motion all of the things that we're looking to do. There's so much going on, and I just can't tell you all about it. But the thing is, Vision 2020 is alive and well, and I'm excited about what God is going to do and how God is going to do it right here at First Baptist Church of Guilford. Get excited about the vision. It's coming. It's on the way, in Jesus' name.